This is Teaching of Physical Science, paper A. First, what is the physical science? So, physical science is a combination of physics and the chemistry. Meaning of physical science: physical science include those branches of science which are related with the study of non-living material. Basically, those who are non-living material like the solid, gas, force, anything. In other words, physical science comprises of two subjects, that is physics and chemistry. So physical science we study chemistry and physics, and in life science we study the biology. What is physics? Physics is the branch of the science which deals with the nature and the natural phenomena, which deals with nature and the natural phenomena like lightning is a natural phenomena, thundering. Then it is the science which explain the natural phenomena or the behavior of the natural system on the basis of established laws of nature. Like Newton says about the chemistry. Chemistry is a branch of the science which deals with the study of material substances. It's particularly about the composition, like the solid, gas, liquid, their properties, like metallurgy, reactions that change into other substances is the chemistry. So here we are studying the pedagogy of science. Now, what is the nature of physical science? So, physical science provide the essential background of knowledge for cultural development. It provide background of knowledge like knowledge about the science, knowledge about force, knowledge about gravity, etc. It helps in developing and fostering the scientific outlook among the children by providing the solution for the day-to-day problem. So for example, if we're talking about the electricity, how it formed with the help of the water. So it helps in developing the fostering scientific attitude towards the education, how the things work. It helps in training the children for developing the scientific temper and create scientific creativity. So it develops a creativity, scientific temper, what is the fact, what is the logic behind something. It studies non-living things, materials and the substances. So physical science does not deal with the living. It deals with the non-living things, materials and the substances, and explains the natural phenomena on the basis of established laws of nature. It is also the study of composition of various substances, which is basically chemistry and their effects upon the upon another, like how chemical formulas form. It always remain in the search of the truth. So science is always in the search of the truth, and it is both product and the process. So at the end we always find the product, and we also know the process, and it in its process from it suggests ways and means of exploring the truth, and in its product form it presents a systemic and organized body of the knowledge. So basically it is very systemic, and it is the organized body of the knowledge. You know the previous thing, and then you can move to the another thing. Physical science adapts the scientific method which is known to be reliable and the valid, objective and unbiased and very fair. So it is basically unbiased, it is valid and it is objective, and it stress on the values of open mindedness, intellectual honesty, creative thinking and dedication.